going to be reading it or whatever, and you guys give the suggestion, what you think. So basically, it's just like a little assessment to see where you guys are. All right. So everyone, feel free to make mistake. We will correct it. We will discuss it. Everyone will learn. All right. All right. So let's go. Number one. It's a write in figures. 1,002,003. Any suggestion? For this one, someone can write on the screen. Leroy raises hand. Leroy, you can write the answer right here in this little box. Go ahead. Leroy, can you raise your hand? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. It's not working out, guys. It's not working out. I don't know what happened, Leroy. All right. All right. Tell you what. You guys gonna tell me what to write. So we need to write 1 million. All right. Lenovo is trying. Go ahead, Lenovo. But for some reason, it just seems as if you guys are unable to write on it efficiently. So what I want you guys to do, just tell me what I should write. Give me the figure, guys. All right, Lenovo, rub it off. I want you guys to tell me, how would you write 1 million? Somebody just take the floor and tell me, how would you write 1 million and 1,002,003? All right, Leroy King wrote it. It says 1,002,003. Everyone agree with that?
Is it chat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's correct. All right. Well done, Leroy. So 1 million, from here, million, guys, you know, it's 7 digits, right? So it's 1 million. Oh, two shade here saying. Oh, Lord. So guys, in the end, it's supposed to be 2003. So guys, the face value. All right, so that's correct. Well done, Leroy. So we're gonna move to number 2. Guys, you will get the recording, okay? So don't worry, everyone will get the recording. Lenovo, could you please rub off that? Only you don't have to write, guys. You're gonna get the video, all right? Number 2, express the shaded part as a common fraction of the whole shape. Who wants to take on that one? Don't write, guys, just tell me. Because I think you guys have difficulty writing it on the screen.
What's the answer?
Yeah. What will be the answer for number 2?
Sir, it's not erasing.
All right. All right, it's fine then. We work with it. What about number 2? That's here, don't road. Talk, guys, talk. Because when I write on it, you guys can rub it off on the whole screen. It's gonna be
15 over 7.
15 over?
7 over 15.
7 over 15. Everyone agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we call the total portion. So we have 1 here, 2 here, 3.
Sir, it's correct.
4. Okay. 5, 6. I'm still gonna show the workout. It doesn't matter. Thanks. What? All right, so we have a total shaded of 7. And why you choose 15? Why not a next number? Why 15?
Because we counted all of.
Very good. It must be over the total. Very good, very good. So that is correct. Yeah, so the total is 15, but only 7 is shaded out of the 15. Well done. All right, let's move on to number 3. It says complete the table below. We have the common fraction and we have percentage. Here is blank, so we are supposed to put the common fraction that the percent is 15. Here they give us an example. 3/5 as a fraction is 60%. What would be the common fraction for 15%? Anyone? Guys, don't be shy. You can answer. Anyone want to take on that one? What does percent mean?
Out of 100.
All right, so that's the key. Wouldn't it be the key? Since percent mean out of 100. All right, how would you approach a question like that?
Answer. Answer now?
3/20.
All right, someone says 3/20. Me hear mommy in the background, you know. Mommy make them stay, man. Make them mistake and so. All right, that's how they learn. That's fine. That's fine. All right. So how did you get 3/20?
Divide 3 to 15.
All right, and you get 3 into 15, 5. All right, let me just explain.
5 into 15.
5 into 15. But oh, you got the 20.
5 into 100.
All right, very good. So since percent mean out of 100, it means that we're gonna put 15. I'm gonna change the blue. Over 100, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna break it down to its lowest term. That's what they did with 60.
We reduce it.
So look, for 60, this is what they did. 60 over 100. And then they break it down. They divide by 10. And then, which number can go into 6 and 10 without a remainder?
2.
3.
Whoa. 3? 3.
No, sir.
The number must be
3
able to
cannot go into it. 2. Only 2.
Very good. Remember, you know, 3 cannot go into 10. So for this one, we divide. So we get 3 right here. And 10 divided by 2, we get 5. So that's how they got this, right? And we can do the same for this one. Which number can go into 15 and 100 without a remainder?
5.
5. So we divide both of them. The key to this, guys, the number must can go into both the numbers, not just one, right? Because 3 can go into 15 without a remainder, but it cannot go into 100 without a remainder. So we have to choose a number that both of them can go into. And then, as I said,
Sir.
what is 15 divided by 3? 5.
3.
100 divided by 5.
20.
20. Somebody background, nice man. So it will be 3/20. All right. So guys, you have to check if you can break down further. Is there any number can go into 3 and 20 without a remainder?
No, sir.
No. So we leave it as it is. All right. Well done. Guys, don't be nervous, man. I just maths. All right, this one now. It says what number, n, so n represents a number, should go in the circle, which is right here. I'm gonna give you guys some time to try to figure it out. If you can't, then I explain. So what number should go in the circle to make the operation correct? So this n represents a number. The
Sir.
subtract, eh?
Can I do this one? I got one like this in my class.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Do it over here.
You do the opposite of what it tells you.
Yeah, man, do it for us. Thanks.
How do you write on the screen, sir?
Well, I don't know.
There's a
Demon
pencil
is doing it there. Tijan.
There's a pencil logo, sir.
What device you're on? That depends on what device you're on.
Repeat.
What device? What, you're on a tablet?
Laptop.
Oh. So try use your mouse then.
My laptop doesn't come with a mouse, sir.
Okay. But you have a pad. Hold on. Alright, tell you what. Rub it off back, guys. You guys just tell me what to write. How do you do? How do you start?
Sir. So, sir, you multiply. So you're gonna do the opposite of what it tells you.
Sir,
So you multiply
yeah,
8
multiply
by
8
4.
by 4, then add the
Then you add 8.
Alright, so 8 times 4. What are you talking? 8 times 4. What next?
32.
Very good. What's next?
You add 8, sir.
Alright. You guys are awesome. That is correct.
40.
40. So let's
It was a question I got from a mental ability.
Yeah. So let's check if it's correct. So we're gonna put 40 here. 40 subtract 8. What that gives us?
32.
32. Very good. Everyone following? And then we know we got the next operation.
Divided by 4 gives you 8.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the answer would be 40. Very good, guys. Well done. All right.
Yes, sir.
Remember,
Yes,
you guys
sir.
will get the recording. Number 5. I'm expecting everyone to be able to just run through this. Right? Number that correctly complete the number.
Write in the box the number that correctly completes the number sentence.
8.
8. Oh, you got 8.
Because 3 times 4 give you 12. So 2 times 4 give you 8.
Yes, sir, it's 8.
All right.
It's
We
8,
add
sir.
Yeah, man, it's correct. So we have a small number and we get big. That means we multiply it by a number to give us 12. So you ask yourself, what number multiplied by 3? Yeah, man, he's not writing there, man. I will write because you guys can't write it.
Sir, 4.
Yeah. So we do the same thing for this, and this is what we call equivalent fraction, right? So 2 4 is 8.
8 over 12.
All right. So if you should break down 8 over 12, you would get what?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. That means the fractions are the
Equivalent.
Yeah, they are equivalent or the same value. It's just the numbers different, but it has the same value. All right, well done. All right, let's look at number 6. At the market, a mother bought some fruits, 3 oranges, 4 pears, and 5 mangoes. What fraction of the fruits was pears?
Four over 12.
12.
All right, let's see. Oh, you got 4 over 12. What's the
4 over 12. You add up all the numbers of fruit, then you put the number of pear on top of it.
Add up
Very good. So we add all the fruits, right? Because we need the denominator. That is
Yes,
the
sir.
denominator. So 3 plus 4 plus 5
Just 12.
gives us 12. All right. But what portion they want us to consider?
Pears.
Only the pears. So how many pears are there?
4.
4.
4.
Right. Very good. So it should be 4 over 12 Can that be broken down? Is there any number that can go into 4?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, tell me what to write.
2.
2 into 4 goes 1 time. 2 into 12 goes 6 times.
So 4 divided by 2. Any number you divide 1 by, you have to divide both, right? So 4 divided by 2, that's
2
what?
over 3.
12 divided by 2 is
2
what?
over 6.
Can that be broken down any further?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
2 into 2 goes 1 time. 2 into 6 goes
1/3.
3 times.
All right, very good.
1/3.
So 2 into 2, that's 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3.
1/3.
So our final answer, very good, would be 1/3. All right. Let's move on to number 7. It says, can eat 4 plums each day.
Plums
Plums would
each day.
2 weeks. Guys, I
How
will read.
many plums would
Guys,
he
read in your mind.
eat in 2 weeks?
Guys, if you read, just let
Sir, 28.
because if 10 of us reading, it's gonna be confusing. So let me just read and then you guys just process it. You guys can read it in your mind, all right? Can eat 4 plums each day. How many plums would he eat in 2 weeks? Go ahead, work out that.
Sir, 56.
All right, so here 56. Going once, going twice. Is it
26.
26? I hear 26.
56.
I hear 56. I hear 56 again. Going once, going twice.
56, sir.
All right, let's just see how it works out. All right, so each day he's gonna eat 4 plums. How many days are in 1 week?
7.
So how many would be in
7
2
times
weeks?
14.
Sir, it would be 7 times. It would be 4
I want to
times
know
14.
how many days would be in 2 weeks. How many
It would
days?
be 14.
days.
14. We actually multiply.
7 days are in 1 week.
Yeah, but 2 weeks. So what we do? Forget 2.
7 times 2, sir. Then you get 14.
56.
56 is correct. 4, 4, 6.
Sir, you could say 4 times 14 are 7 times 4, and you get the answer and do it over, and then you add the 2 numbers up.
Yeah, you could have done it that way. You could have calculated for 1 week, which would be 4 times 7. That's how the first person that was writing did it. That's fine, which is 28. But because it's 2 weeks, you can add 28 again, or you can just multiply by.
That's what I did, sir.
That's perfectly correct. All right, well done, well done. Awesome, guys, awesome. You guys are awesome. All right, let's move on to number 8. Let's ignore that little yellow something there. At a school bazaar.
Sir, are you going to send
guys,
the
guys, I'm gonna mute you guys here. Guys, if everyone is reading, it's gonna be confusing. So just read it in your mind, and then I will read out. All right, and then you guys process it and tell me what to write. At a school bazaar, every 7th student who entered in the first hour was admitted free. If 46 students entered in the first hour, how many of them entered free? All right, your time now. How do you guys approach that?
Yeah, we could divide it.
It what? It what? By what? Be specific, guys. Come on.
Sir, you have to divide it by 7.
All right, you divide it by 7. So what's 46 divided by 7? And what's the reasoning behind that?
6.
Sir, because they say
Every 7 students who entered in the first hour were admitted free.
For free. All right, very good. It's correct. I just want to hear the reasoning. All right, two ways you can look at it. It's basically like multiples of 7, right? So every 7th person, that person free. So the person that comes in position 7, he or she will be free. What will be the next person that comes in free? What number? If 6 come in, then the next person free. That's the 7th person. What would be the next person that comes in? What position?
14.
14. Very good. And you continue like that. The next person that comes in free would be?
21st.
Yeah. What to the next person that comes in free? At what position?
28.
All right. And you continue like that until you reach. Very good. All right. So you reach up to 42. The next person would be 41.
9.
49. Very good. But we don't reach up to 46. It says for the first 46. Well done. Well done. All right. Mia, you can rub up at that one there, please. As guys, the screen are going to be so crowded, and then questions are going to be in problem. So 6 would be the answer for that. That's correct. Number 9. Which of the two socks was the smaller mass? Which of the two socks? Look at them very carefully. Which is smaller and why?
To me, it look like the sugar syrup.
No, it's not look like, it's maths this. You have to look at the numbers that are given and stuff. Alright? It not look like. Alright guys, it's not look like. We have to think critically. We don't just say, oh, it look like.
Flour?
Alright, why the flour? Explanation.
Gram less than kilogram.
Yeah, but it's 1,690 grams. So, and it's just 1.7 kilogram. So that's how we can say, okay.
Sugar.
Why sugar? I just want the explanation, you know. I'm not saying either is correct or incorrect. I just want to see how you guys are thinking.
Because the sugar
Because 1,000 grams make 1 kilogram.
All right, so you start somewhere. All right, like that. So 1,000 grams equal 1 kilogram. That's what I want you guys to think. Who are right on it? Oh, yeah. Oh, can I get that job? All right, so that means what would 1.7 kilogram be in grams?
1,700.
All right. So see, we have, guys, we must convert them to the same unit. So now that we have 1,700 grams, then we can compare which is greater, 1,700 or 1,690.
1,700 is the greater one.
All right. And what did they ask for? Which is?
Smaller.
Which is smaller?
just 10. It was
The
10.
flour.
Flour. All right. So the flour is smaller. By how much?
10.
Than 10.
It's 2 units there. You can't just say 10. By 10 what?
Grams.
10 grams.
10 grams. Very good. Very good. Remember, you know, guys, you guys are going to go to some top school in Jamaica, so we have to think critically from now. All right? Very good. All right. Let's look at this one now, number 10. It says a ball is bought for $35 and sold for $48. Calculate the profit made in dollars. Go ahead. Somebody background, the music, please.
I hear music.
Yeah.
I hear music in the background.
Yeah, guys.
I had something.
The person, if there's someone in the background, play music, mute, please, here. Thanks. All right, let's go now. A ball, when you're ready to talk, you can unmute and talk. A
Sir,
ball is bought
is
for
it $13?
How much?
$13.
$13. Oh, you get 13. Tell us, please.
48 minus 35.
Why you minus?
Because it says the profit in dollars.
All right, very good. So if you buy something for $35, simple something, you know, you buy one shot for $35, and your friend say, I'm gonna buy it back from you. But because you say, you know, say, more make money off of this, I can buy one sweetie. You're gonna sell it for more than the $35, right? So the extra, that is your profit, you're gonna make. So it will be 48, as he said, subtract 35. So that will give you 13. That's correct. So your profit is 30. All right, let's move on to number 11. A garden has the shape shown below with all its sides of equal length. So that's very important. All the sides of equal length. The perimeter is 72 meters. What is the length of one side of the garden? Go ahead.
There, 12.
12. How did you get 12?
12
I count
times
the number
12
of
plus
sides.
6 give
I
you
count the number of sides, then divide 72 by the number
by
of sides, which is
6.
6, and
Very
it gives 12.
Very good. So because perimeter means the total distance around, we add the sides. When we add all the sides of equal length, it should give us 72. So we count how many sides are there, and that will be 72. And because it's 6 sides, we divide it by 6, and that is equal to 12.
That's right.
Thanks, John. All right, so that's correct. 12 meters. Guys, you have to remember.
That wasn't John, that was Jalen.
Oh, no, man, the person that wrote there was John. Guys, don't write on the screen because it's not, you guys can't rub it off, please. All right, and it's just gonna keep coming. See it? Especially the person with the yellow. All right, Sally began reading. Question: Sally began reading a book at 8:17 p.m. She took a break after reading for half of an hour. Oh Lord, you know, so I did the video for this, I never think of 1.5 hours. You take a break after reading for half of an hour. At what time did she take a break? I could have swear 1.5. Reason out that one with me, guys.
8:47.
47.
47, what 47?
8:47
8:47
p.m.
Yeah, because it's half an hour break. How much is half an hour?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Very good. So if you start 8:17, you guys should know that because you watch cartoon, right? And it normally takes 30 minutes, which is half of an hour. So that means you add and you get 8:47 when you add that to. Let's show the work in here. You know, I was doing the video and I thought it was 1.5 hours. Oh Lord. I mean, it is crazy. So we just add 30 minutes and 0 hours, all right? Very important. So 7, 4, so that'll be 8:47, all right? Sanjay, you can bring up that something for me? Cause one dog food, so. Hey, respect, bro. Me in a class, man. All right, respect. Number 13, guys. A rectangular garden bed is 5 meters long and has an area of a rectangular garden bed is 5 meters long and has an area of 18 square meters. How wide is the garden bed? Who wants to take on that? Guys, don't write on the screen, please, because you guys can't write properly and it's just crazy. Nigeria. Who wants to take
Okay,
on
sir.
that?
I the pen.
A rectangular garden bed is 5 meters long and has an area of 18 feet. How wide is the garden bed?
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
this is wrong because any number times 5 either gives you 0 or 5 as the ending number. I don't know how they got 18.
No, man. So what about fraction? It can be a fraction. It can be a decimal. It's not. It's correct. There's no rule that says it must be a natural number or a whole number, right? So how do you approach it? Since you talk about multiplication, we get the area already and we get the length. How could we find the
So
width?
the first thing I did was 18 divided by 2 minus 5 and it gave me 4.
Why you did that? How did the 2 minus 5 come in?
Because when you're multiplying, you multiply 2 digits.
I still don't see the reason. But think about it. All I'm saying is that the area is 18 meters square. So make we establish that. How do we find the area of a rectangle?
Multiply the sides, the
Sides.
length by the width.
The length by the width. So we're looking for the width. But we know the length, we know the width. So what we need to figure out?
Add.
Guys, in maths, you always go from what you know. So this is what we know. We know that area of a rectangle is length times width. If the area is 18, so we know that the area is 18 meters square. So we know that the length is 5. How can we find the width from here? What did they do to get 18? Anyone?
Sir, they multiply.
No, don't say it. Multiplied what? You have to be specific. We're mathematicians. All of us are mathematicians, right? So we speak the right language.
Multiply 6
My.
times
Sir,
3.
6 by the 3, sir.
Yeah, by 3, 6 times 3.
No,
Give you
they did not
18.
do that. They gave us the length to be 5. So how are you gonna change it to 6? We can't do that with maths. They gave you the length to be 5. So we can say 6 times 3 is 18.
Or say you say 5 times 3 and give you 15.
Hello?
But they told you that it's 18. So how can you find out what they multiplied by to give you 18?
Sir, I
Right.
just realized the answer. It's 4.5.
All right, oh, you got it. Somebody background noise again. I remember check the chat. Somebody text in the chat. Let me just check.
It's the Lenovo, sir.
All right, Leroy King says it is 3.3. All right, guys, all we have to do is to say what multiplied by 5 gives us 18, right? So we
I
just
kept on multiplying numbers until I did 4.5.
wouldn't be 4.5 though, because 4.5, 5 times 4 is already 20, right? So you just divide 18 by 5. What's 18 divided by 5?
That gives me
3.
3.6.
No.
All right.
3 remainder 5. No.
3.3.
3, right?
3 remainder 3.
Yeah. So what's 3/5 as a fraction, as a decimal?
3.5.
It's actually 3.6, guys. Remember, 0.5 is a half, so it couldn't be 0.5. All you have to do is divide 3 by 5. That's all. Right? You put the decimal point. 5
Sir, that's like the, what you got again? The thing we did at a different number.
All right. 5 into 30, 6. When we convert from a decimal to from fraction to a decimal. So it's 3.6. So Leroy, it's not 3.3. All right, let's look at this one. We have 2 minutes to complete this one because it's gonna end and then we join back. A rectangular box is 18 centimeter wide, 24 centimeter long, and 6 centimeter deep. How many cubes with edges of 6 centimeter will completely fill the box? So they are saying, how many of this cube will fill up this box, rectangular box? Any ideas? All right, I know we haven't done volume. That's actually the next thing that we're going on.
Sir, do not tell me, please.
All right, go ahead. What about the others? You guys supposed to try it, all right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Or is it 8?
8 of the cubes would fill it up.
Sure, it's not 8.
Sir, 7 cubes.
All right, let's see. So guys, basically we just find the volume of the cuboid. I shouldn't tell you guys what it was and I should have asked, but because you don't cover this yet, it's fine.
Sir, I did not take cuboid.
Okay, what's this one then?
That one is just a normal cube.
A cube, yeah. All right. So the difference is this one is rectangular in shape and this one is square. Guys, it's gonna end in 1 minute. I want to do the solution. So it would be 6 times 24 times 18. I think we are going so it's, we find the volume. Let me just multiply that quickly. 6 times 24 times 6. No, never 6. Oh, 18.
Sir, I got my answer by timesing 6 by 3 to get 18, then by 4 to get 24, then adding 3 plus 4 to get 7.
Okay, okay. So it's 2,592.